Hi everyone, for today's video we are going to do an unboxing, review, and setup on this mini PC from Kamrui. So this particular one is the AK2 Plus mini PC. I got this thing from Amazon. It's currently priced for $209 and currently they have a $40 coupon. So basically I got this thing for $179. So let me go ahead and open it up. Inside the box, you'll get the Kamrui PC. You'll have an HDMI cable so that you can hook this up to your monitor. And you have the power adapter right here. Plus, it comes with the VESA mounting plate and some screws. And it comes with a small instruction manual. This is the AK2 Plus mini PC and it comes with Intel 12th generation Alder Lake N100 processor, and that processor can actually run up to 3.4 GHz. It also comes with a 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD. This PC will support a 4K video at 60 Hz. It comes with a dual output, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 4.2, HDMI 2.0. This is basically good for homeschool and office use. So this is not equivalent to a desktop, but it is equivalent to a powerful laptop. So if you look under, you're going to see that you have the mounting holes right here. That is basically where this thing is going to go, okay? And if you look on the side, you can see that you have a 2 HDMI output. So basically you can hook up 2 monitors in this PC. You'll have an audio out, you have a LAN port right here, you have the power cord, and here you'll have a regular USB 2. And on the other side, you're gonna have the power button. And then you'll have 2 USB 3 and another USB 2 right here. In total, you'll have 4 USB ports. If you want to add an external storage, you always want to use the USB 3 because that thing is going to also provide power to your external hard drives. Plus, it's a faster connection. For this 2 port right here, I'm planning on just using this for the keyboard and the mouse. Okay, and if you look here, you'll have a switch right here, and basically if you slide this switch, it's going to open the top of your PC. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so let me go do it this way and then just pull this thing out. Okay, and if you look here, you have a connection for an SSD hard drive, and according to the description, this thing can support up to a maximum of 2 TB SSD hard drive. So if you want to add an additional storage, this is where you want to put it. Okay, so very easy to install. Just plug it in here and put the cover back in. So basically, to put the cover back, all you need to do is, you see this notch right here, just go right here. Okay, so you just go right here, and then after that you just push this thing in, and that's it. So let's go ahead and plug it in, and let me go grab my old keyboard and mouse and we'll see how fast it will boot up. So for the keyboard, I'll just install it here. I actually have a wireless keyboard. This is an old wireless keyboard that I have. But if you want to buy a new keyboard, you can always get a wireless keyboard without any more dongle like this. You just need to have the USB sensor plugged in here and another one right here. Okay, but right now I'll use the ones that I have available. So I'm gonna have some cables right here. We'll plug in the power right here, and then I plug in the HDMI cable into the back of the PC and into the back of my monitor. So these are all the questions available for you for the #1 security questions. So I'll just have to pick one and answer it. And basically, you just have to repeat the process in security number 2 and security question number 3. Okay, so now it's setting up the PC. Okay, so it looks like we are all set. So, look here, you can go to your settings if you want, make some changes, and let's go ahead and check our systems option. So the total storage is 475 gigabytes. There are still 431 gigabytes of free space. You have installed app of 2.27 gigabytes and 390 megabytes of temporary files. For your Bluetooth, and you can add a Bluetooth device if you want. I don't have it connected to the internet yet because according to the manual, you don't want to connect it to online right away before as you're setting up because it's going to take longer as the Windows is going to update. So you want to set it up first before you connect it to your Wi-Fi. At this point, we can connect it to the Wi-Fi already if you want to. Okay, so if I go right here, I can select available network and I can select from my Wi-Fi right here. So let me go ahead and do that right now. Now I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. You can see right here, I now have internet access. So let's see how fast my Wi-Fi is in this room. This is actually the weakest spot in my area. So let's see if this PC can actually connect to that Wi-Fi and see if we can have a nice speed right here. So let's go ahead and test the Wi-Fi speed. Okay, so I got 9 megabits per second in this room. It's still pretty low, but I could say this is good enough for web browsing. Okay, so let's go ahead and install Windows Update just to make sure that we have a valid Windows license here. So this product comes from China and the price is really good. I'm wondering if they actually have a valid Windows license. So it looks like that they do. See right here, I was able to download 2 updates already. And let me go and start installing them as I download it. Okay, so it looks like Windows is good. So let's go ahead and check the PC. Okay, so let me just go here and go on properties. See right here, it have the Windows device name right here. So right here we have the device name and here we have the 16 gigabyte of ROM, which is good. And if you notice here, it says Intel N100, which is the correct CPU, and it says 800 megahertz. So the advertised speed is 3.4 gigahertz, so I'm not sure what this 800 megahertz is. And when I did a quick search online on why is N100 showing 800 megahertz, this is the first thing that I saw. It says that the N100 CPU base frequency is 800 megahertz. It says that it can't see the actual turbo speed as the CPU controls itself based on the power and thermal restriction. So it says here that the dashboard only shows the frequency when not running at max. So for this, I could say we should be good to go. And basically, we just have to keep playing on this computer. I will update the description if I found any problem with this PC based on my daughter's usage. Okay, so now that we have Windows updated, what I'm going to show you now is how to install this to the back of your monitor. If you have an LED monitor, most likely you're going to have this screw holes right here. So these are the best amount. And this one is actually going to fit right on this one right here. So let me go ahead and open this. One of this hole is going to fit right here. So I think it's this one right here. That's the VESA 400. The smaller one I believe is the VESA 200. So let me go ahead and install this thing. I'll install it on the other side as well. So all the screws and mounting bracket are included in the package. If you look in the back of your PC again, there's a hole right here. So basically you just install that right here. Okay, so go ahead and slide it in. And that's it. And all you need to do now is install the HDMI cable. And that's it. All you need to do now basically is to organize all your cables and you're good to go. I hope that you found this video helpful to you. And if you decided to purchase this computer and you want to help my channel, make sure to click on the affiliate link that I put on the description. It's not going to cost you anything extra. Amazon simply gives a small commission to its affiliate every time we send somebody into the Amazon website. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet and you'd like to see more product reviews and DIY videos, make sure to click the subscribe button. I have a lot more videos lined up for you. And thank you for watching.